In this training video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a list of potential investors, which could be buyers. So if you're that wholesaler looking for people that buy real estate, this would be the place to go. First thing I want to do is select a targeted market. So where do people buy properties? I'm then going to say, what are we looking for? And we're going to go down to investors. Now, this is going to replace our old cash buyers because cash buyers only paid cash. But in most cases, investors may get hard money. They may get, traditional financing and actually have a loan on it. Doesn't mean they're less valuable. So we want to take everybody in this particular case. And that's why we made the change from cash buyers, because I think we'll be limiting ourselves on potential buyers versus just investors. And these are going to be company owned properties. So if I go ahead and click that search button, I'm going to see that I've got over 1,500. Now, generally, you could kind of filter this down. If an investor only buys single family homes, I would just say, hey, they may be more interested in just single family versus, if you did townhome or a condo. Estimated values, where do my buyers generally buy? Is it in between maybe the 2 and let's say 500,000 range? And of course, maybe, equity isn't going to really matter because we're really looking for the owner of the property so we can market them to potentially build a relationship with them and market and buy our properties that we're either wholesaling or just selling in general. So equity isn't going to make that big of a deal in this particular case. Obviously, if there was some crazy company that had reverse mortgage, you could exclude that, or any kind of HELOCs. Most of the time, these are not going to be relevant in this particular query. And, what do your investors typically buy? Although we're searching for properties that they have bought, generally gives us a good sign of what they're looking to buy in the future. And that's really the whole point. Now, owner-wise, again, these are company-owned properties, so they generally are all absentee owners. Now, do they live in state or out of state? To me, hey, I want somebody that's fairly local, so I would say in-state. I can then apply those filters to get to that 83 number. So now I can take this list and put it in a marketing campaign. And then what I'm going to do is actually send out some postcards that we have pre-designed templates just for this scenario. So highly encourage you to use that. Hope this training video helped, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.